So trick one, super important for third hand to really pay attention at trick one. Third hand has reviewed the auction, done the number rule, interpreted partner's opening lead, and checked out the dummy. And at that point, that's when the fun begins, right? That's the checklist we go through. You review the auction, do the number rule, interpret your partner's opening lead, look at dummy, because the dummy is going to tell third hand whether you play simply third hand high, which we've heard before, right? Third hand plays high as necessary to win the trick. Well, we've got some exceptions, and then we have some exceptions to the exceptions. Let's take a look at a basic position. You're sitting east here, third hand, and your partner west leads out the 2 of spades. And the dummy has the 6-5-4. Well, anytime the dummy has no honor, there is no exception except for one that we get down at the very bottom, okay? So no honor, no exception, with one exception. Let's take a look at number 1 here. East, third hand, ace, jack, 3. The key is what is in the dummy as to whether you play the ace or the jack. And in this case, there's no honor in dummy, so East plays the ace. With king, jack, 7-3, there's no honor in dummy, East plays the king. With queen, 9-3, there's no honor in dummy, so East plays the queen. You sort of get in the rhythm here, right? Number 4 is queen, jack, 3. Well, we play lower of touching cards, whether it's an honor or spot cards. You play lower of touching as third hand, which is the opposite of the opening leader, who leads the top of touching. Top of touching on opening lead, lower of touching as third hand. Fun inferences for partner when third hand plays lower of touching. So with queen, jack, 3, we play the jack. With jack, 10, 9, 3, you play the 9. King, queen, 3, you play the queen. King, queen, 7, 3, you play the queen, right? It doesn't matter the length of the suit you hold, as long as you have 3 or more, right? What is important is no honor in dummy, play as high as necessary to win the trick, that's third hand high. And when you have touching honors, you play the lower of touching honors. Now, the one exception comes when you hold the ace, queen, 8 versus a no trump contract. Now, this is just a very narrow exception for no trump contracts only, not suits. Don't do this playing a suit. You'll lose to the singleton king and feel very silly, okay? When you hold ace, queen, small, not ace, queen, small, small, right? Not ace, queen, doubleton. It's exactly ace, queen, small, right? And you're defending versus no trump, you put in the queen.